Westfield, San Francisco, and I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry, but Zachary's not hungry, so I'm gonna eat anyway. I'm trying to save room for dinner, and then Zach goes and gets these, and then after like 3 he says he's done. It's like you're trying to set me up for failure here.
Sometimes you're better off dead. There's a gun in your hand that's pointing at your head. You think you're mad, too unstable, kicking in chairs.
Just a blanket.
Just a blanket. I wanted it to be a bathroom so bad.
Man around, running down, underground to a dive bar in a West End town.
That is disturbing.
Why is it disturbing? It's cute.
No, it's disturbing.
In a West End town, a dead end world. The East End boys and West End girls. West End girls.
This is the true mall experience.
Posters, too many choices. If, when, why, what, how much have you got? Have you got it? Do you get it? If so,
It hurts.
Did you choose a hard or soft option? In a West End town, a dead end world. The East End boys and West End girls. In a West End town, a dead end world. The East End boys and West End girls.
Where are we, Chief?
Disney store.
Disney? What is that?
We're going to make some droids, and we're going to make them out of this modeling clay. In the words of Zachary, Disney, you've done it again. She has the same hair as me.
Very nice.
We are going to eat at the Cheesecake Factory, which seems to be where we always come when we come to San Francisco. And we probably have about 25 minutes, maybe-ish, left on our wait. And yeah, it's beautiful.
You got a heart of glass or a heart of stone. Just you wait till I get you home. We've got no future, we've got no past. Here today, built to last in every city and every nation, from Lake Geneva to the Finland station. And a West End town, a dead end world. The East End boys and West End girls. Oh, West End town, a dead end world. East End boys, West End girls. Oh, West End girls.
What?
I'm just enjoying the view part 2.